What is up, my cats and chicks? I got another package today, and I'm just really excited. There was actually a layer of plastic over it, but I opened it up earlier, but I hadn't opened the box yet, so I decided to do it in this video. So here we go. All right, I'll just open the rest of the plastic that I hadn't opened up yet, as well as some of the tape covering it. All right, let's open a box. And I knew it. It's my American Optical Aviator sunglasses. And for the record, the reason why I got these glasses because, as some of you know me by now already, I am a huge spaceflight nerd, and the American Optical sunglasses, the Aviator sunglasses, were the same ones that were issued to the NASA astronauts in the 1960s. So Neil Armstrong wore them aboard the Apollo 11 mission as well. And I got them right over here. Gold frames, like what the NASA astronauts had. Most people have the silver frames, but I chose gold. In fact, I have prescription lenses made for these. I got the gray lenses for my prescription. They were already being made in my local optician, and I'm just gonna take these to him on Monday to just install them on. Let's try it out. It's super foggy. Well, it's kind of cold outside. Let me just go grab a minute over here to clean out the lenses. Okay, this is how it looks on me, and I like it a lot. This is a really short video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just filled with my excitement for some reason. I can't really seem to talk properly today. I'm just out of words for some reason. I'm probably a little too excited because I've been waiting a while for this one. So be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my other videos. I'll see you in my next video.